150. Now we have the coding table plus charging, I think. Then, now I think we can end it. I want to review. This one is for them. I know, this one's. This I think is table fishnet. Then this one is the construction, construction parts. Nini. Please. So I to check. This is Vex. What is this kitchen? You can take a video from the other side to capture that. Not fully charged.
Are you assembling it right now? Are you assembling it right now?
No, just trying to see how wanted to connect. You can come and film this. You see how its interface.
What is that thing for?
See, it has coordinates, heading, rotating, rolling, movement. Well done.
What is this picture now?
The battery is 50% full. It has a slot for SD card, charging port, or I think it's a programming port. Then this one, if you want to see the battery level, you press this, you see it's halfway. Now, we want just to disconnect.
What is this now? Probably today I said they can wear a watch.
What are you going to watch?
What is this? What is this? We're playing games.
Yes, playing games. Oh, don't press it. You will play with it someday. Okay? It's not on. Don't now the press for batteries. That is there. Then construction area. This one will not. You need your brains to construct.
Yes.
Struggle constructing.
Jay, you're the one who will show us how to make, or we will make by.
I'll show you how to make, then I'll leave you to make by yourself after you watch what you are doing. Okay?
So you will make one and then you press another and you make another.
Yes, I'll make one, you see, then I give you.
One day you let us make ours. And then we
What have you done?
have to do like this.
What have you done?
Chat. If somebody wants to go with it at home, they come with their own, and then you show them how to make, and then they go with it at home.
If you come with your own,
Yes.
I will show you how to